Hey Glossies! Welcome to The Daily Gloss, your go-to space for all things natural beauty, glow-ups, and self-care magic. Here, it's not just about the face. We're talking beauty from head to toe. From glowing skin and luscious hair to smooth body care and easy DIY remedies. I've got you covered naturally. No harsh chemicals, no expensive products, just powerful, clean beauty hacks using things you already have at home. Because when you look good, you feel good, and that's the real glow up. And remember, beauty isn't just a vibe, it's a lifestyle we live together here, every day. So, hit that subscribe button, join the Glossy fam, and let's glow, naturally. New videos every week to keep your skin happy, your hair healthy, and your confidence glowing.